Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cute layered thank you card for you. This is my Thank You Snow Much layered card. Isn't that just adorable? I love the little snowy scene and that happy little snowman that's thanking you so much. So cute. There is room on the inside for your message, and of course there's an included envelope. This card is really simple to put together, especially if you use pattern paper as the snowy background. I can't wait to show it to you. One thing that I want to mention to you, when I recorded the making of this card, I did have a little bit of a head cold, so my voice might sound just a little bit froggy. Just a forewarning, I hope it doesn't sound too bad for you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're not a member of our Crafters Club, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all the information about the different membership tiers. We have a free membership, a monthly, and an annual membership. So I'll let you go ahead and check those out and you can pick which membership is right for you. But for now, we're going to go and click sign in, and then you're brought to the login page. Go ahead and enter your email address and your password and click login. And now we're brought to the home page with our logged in account. You can see that we're logged in because you can see the icon right here, and you also see a sidebar right here. Now, in order to access the free files, you can access them through the Files tab and go to the File Library. You can also access them through the sidebar. And then when you log into your account, there is a member dashboard that has a link in there as well. But for this tutorial, I'm going to head to the main navigation bar and click the File Library. We're brought to the File Library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 159. That's the Thank You Snow Much card. Go ahead and click the download link right here. Download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do some converting to the envelope and the card base, as well as the sentiment right here. So let's start with the envelope, scroll down the Layers panel, find the score line, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, we need to change this text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and then highlight the text. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Pen. You can change the color if you prefer. Highlight that group and attach. So once the envelope and card base score lines have been converted, and then you convert the sentiment to pen, you can go ahead and click the Make It button. I'm going to be using the mat for this project. And you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and then I'll meet you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, we have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and layer up our little snowman. If you get stuck at all, don't worry, I have a layering guide in the download that can act as a visual guide for you to layer this little guy together. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I put them together. Alright, there is our little snowman. I'm going to go ahead and set him to the side to go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel and then our front cover panel. Alright, so there we go. We have those two layered up. I'm going to set the messaging panel to the side for now. And now we can go ahead and layer our snowbanks to the bottom of the cover panel. So on the front cover panel we have the two different snowbanks. You're going to attach the larger one with the right snowbank larger than the left. See how it kind of swoops up like that to the right? And then the sentiment piece, that just goes right on top. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So there is our front cover panel. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our snowman in the center as best I can. And now you'll see that I have a bunch of different snowflakes. One thing that I'm going to mention is that the smaller ones are a little difficult for the machine to cut. Now mine did just fine. But if your machine tends to be really sensitive with intricate cuts or it tends to tear the paper, you can always delete those in Design Space. You can see with the pattern paper that I'm using, that's linked in the description, I don't really need a whole bunch of snowflakes because I already have snowy pattern paper. So I'm going to add a few of these here and there around the card. Like I said, I offer these as an option for you. If you don't want to use them, you certainly don't have to. You certainly can delete them too if your machine is a little sensitive with intricate cuts. Alright, I think that looks good. Those extra snowflakes just add a little bit more dimension and a little bit more of a snowy look. I think that's super cute. I'll go ahead and set that front cover panel to the side to dry just for a second. Let's get my tray out of the way. Now we're going to take our card base and go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up the card base. We're going to attach the messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close the card up. And now we can attach our fun front cover panel. And there we have our fun Thank You Snow Much card. I'm going to set the card to the side and then I will show you how to make the envelope. Clean up my desk here a little bit. For the envelope, we'll just go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue to the outside edge of the inlay panel. Go ahead and add the inlay panel to the envelope flap and give that a press. Spin the envelope around and pull the side flaps in. Add glue along the bottom edge of those side flaps. And then with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms our fun little envelope. And our card is ready to go. How cute is this card? And it comes together pretty simple, doesn't it? I love the little expression of the snowman. You could certainly switch out the sentiment for birthdays, winter get-togethers, anything with the snowy or winter theme. And hey, I love snowmen. I know a lot of you love snowmen, so I hope that you like this card. If you make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafty friends who love to motivate and inspire each other. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I'll see you at the next card making video. Bye.